From city to villa, guy man no do. Whether na malaria, jowo do kwa. Whether na typhoid fever, jowo do kwa.
I hope they have not gone to execute that plan they talked about. I want them not to do anything without my consent. Okay. I'll wait for them to come back.
Not to make them not my home, I don't know for you. If you take my medicine, just give me money. Whether it cure, it no cure, it no consign me. Ogo mubu unigwe, try and see. Oduko, joy oduko, joy oduko. Ota wagini bere, joy oduko. Obo kiri mba wisi, joy oduko. Ami waginu kuo, joy oduko. Wane megi wi nanya, joy oduko. Onwere consider.
What do you tell Papa? We will not tell him anything. You want Papa to laugh at us? No. We're not going to tell him anything that happened to us. So. Never. What about the 3,000 naira fine they asked us to message Papa? We'll find a way and pass that message to Papa. But for now, we need to think. Otondo will never go free from this. Otondo will never go free from this. Otondo will never go free from this. That was how you lure me into his house. I asked you to let us go back. You refused. You insisted that we must go. They call the KG 2x2 we pledge to say we go piamazo. Even me too. Even you too. We can, but we cannot.
Look, where have you boys been?
Papa.
I hope everything's alright.
Papa, yes, everything is alright. Papa, we are still executing the plan. You see the data plan? Papa, we are still doing it. You see Otondo? Otondo will not go free in this one. Soon, Papa, you will hear the scores.
Good. Indeed, I am very proud of you boys.
Thank you, Papa.
Why don't you carry me along and let me know this your so-called plan?
No, Papa, don't worry. We will tell you after we might have gathered all our fat. Don't worry, Papa. You see, it will shock you. It will shock you.
What is the problem?
Papa, nothing. Otondo, don't worry. You will hear the fact. We will deal with him. Otondo, Papa, I'm just praying for his life. I keep on saying,
Oduko, Oduko and sons, Abba mixture.
I hope these boys are not up to something. I don't trust these boys.
I wonder what is still keeping Okoli and Ugonna.
I wanted the same thing. My annoyance is, why is Tonto and his boss, why are they not here? We have spent over an hour here, and they are not still here. Are you sure they are going to honor our invitation?
That one shouldn't bother you, Otondo. Don't worry. When we form quorum, when everybody is here, we'll take a decision on them. Who is Otondo? Have they forgotten what they did to them in the past?
But I'm still suggesting that we report them to the Igwe, that Igwe will handle them better.
Yeah. You are still disturbing yourself. Why not go and report them to Asorok? Or better still, go to White House. Killing a fly with a sledgehammer. Look, Otondo is not beyond control. I can handle him. Have you forgotten how we forced them to leave this village 3 months ago after they stole our sacred mass? Otondo is a little fry. He's a cockroach. I can handle him. Forget about Otondo.
Otondo is a human being. Repeat your word. Chelando. I want you to repeat every single thing you've said.
I did not say anything. To God who made me and you, I did not.
It's sheer Elendo. I heard every single thing you said. So do not lie. In fact, go on your knees.
Go. It's an abomination. See, if you alter that Go. Stop the look like Telemundo. My friend, will you lie down there? Wait, please.
You have the guts to call me names. You opened your mouth to call Otondo a cockroach.
Otondo, you are a very good man. Otondo, I swear, Otondo, you are.
Huh?
Your Holiness, Otondo, you are a good man.
Have you tasted my cake before?
Bikono.
Have you tasted this cake before?
Hey, Bikono. Biko, Otondo.
Hey, don't waste my energy. Hey, shh. If I make
Ibabu. Pale. Wetin dey sup? So when you always get romanticism. Wetin happen? Who made you?
Come on. We were attacked at the meeting by some bad boys.
Kweke. Shoo. Pale, wait oh. You say bad boys.
Where is your mother?
Pale, forget Male matter. They ask who made you. Wetin dey happen?
I said we were attacked by bad boys. Bad boys.
Who be the person? I need fight, Papa. I need see the person. No, I got see the person now.
Bad boys.
No, the same thing we dey talk. Now you need to tell me who that person be. Make I go find am. I know. Eh?
Nai. Nai. What happened to you?
Virginia, Otondo and his gang attacked me.
Eh? Wait oh. Mole, who be Otondo? No, I got see the person. Who attack my popsy? I don't know who the person be. Who be Otondo?
Come, there is nothing you can do. These boys are wicked. They have no conscience. So let's not allow the sleeping dog.
Who be dog? Papa, you see dog for you. Which one be less sleeping dog? Like which space dog wants sleep? Nobody they sleep. All of us go there awake. You need to tell me who run this matter. I guys run the person.
Otondo is a notorious bad boy. Everybody in this village is afraid of him.
Male, which one be everybody? That join you, they call everybody. My name now Ugoma, the beautiful girl with the eagle eyes. I need run that guy. Who be the person?
Otondo has no conscience. So please count me out of this battle.
Papa,
let me go home and treat myself.
You are in. Everybody they in. I need run the guy. Who be Otondo? Una dey waste time.
Shut up, oh. Shut up. You don't even know the person we are talking about.
Mama said waste for the second time. I need know who the person be.
Instead of you to help me push my bicycle, you are there talking nonsense.
Male, who be Otondo? Who the person be? I want runner.
Just go home.
Opo.
Go home.
Okay now. Pale, like this, you say you know what? See my see Spain, oh. Pale. You don't want to tell me what is up, Abi?
Wahala they sleep, oh. Go wake 'em, oh, eh. Wahala they sleep, oh. Go wake 'em, oh, eh. Wahala they empty, no. Wake 'em, oh, eh. Wahala they, oh. Wake 'em, oh, eh. Na me be Ugoma, original Wafigelo, the only beautiful girl with eagle eyes. We know that too for this villa. Sure. If you find my trouble, you don't buy market to be that.
Come on, babe. I saw you there. Where do they play, my girl? Oh my, don't tell. What's up? I don't ask if you tired.
Madam, you waste my time.
Wait till they worry you. Calm down. Your blood too hot.
What nonsense.
My dear, no vex. I go my elder brother place for Lagos. I say I go do small holiday. Now last night I enter.
Oh, my thank God say you go Lagos.
I know my
that
swag.
you don't add weight.
Hey.
You don't say you first be like Agama.
Get out. Don't they talk rubbish
My
now.
girl.
How you see my swag?
Get.
I represent Abi.
But it get one matter when they disturb me for this village.
Wetin be that?
One guy, I don't know what they call her tonto. I'm gonna get you not see waiting this guy do my pale. I dey vex.
Your pale.
I dey vex. Right now. I need to tell that guy say see Morocco, see Spain.
I think they worry you. To show yourself. You know who be this?
Yellow fever. Because we wear yellow and yellow, we no go hear what.
No mind am.
Shut up your mouth. Girl. You know say you gallant.
Right.
We need track that guy.
Straight up.
We need
So
track.
we level am abi.
We need level am.
I dey your side. I dey with you all day.
My girl.
You know na.
My
First when we go my house. Right. Go carry two of us.
Now they go.
Hey.
Na me be Ugoma, original Wafigelo, the only beautiful girl with eagle eyes. We know that too for this villa. Sure. If you find my trouble, you don't buy market, it be that. If you refuse to cooperate, I go show you another side. I dey like Buko, I get in many chapter. If you want peace, me I dey. If you want wahala, me I dey. But mind yourself, oh, I no want trouble, oh. Wahala dey sleep, oh, wake am, oh, eh. Wahala just dey relax, oh, wake am, oh, eh. You don't see where wahala just dey rest, oh, wake am, oh, eh. Wahala just dey empty.
Which kind rubbish talk come be that one now? Now here tell you say I dey go.
When I want to spoil my bike, I know they go again.
I don't understand.
Come down now.
Oh, God.
Okay, somebody there now. Come down, I know they go again.
Oh, God.
You dey mad?
You smoke something. As you see me, so I know they like vex. So you gather sense, eh? You go try enter this back, may you go drop us where we go. We'll not tell you say here we go. What do they play?
You see?
Okpo. Eh?
Madam, come on, buddy. Let me go.
Oga, nothing enter. So I not fit come on body. You go enter this bike, may you go drop us for where we go.
You dey mad? Start this bike, make person dey go where they go.
I will destroy your face. I will scatter your face.
Oga, put your hand down.
Try am.
You dey move hand. You wear.
See the bike,
What
sef.
do they play?
Bye, I am moving now.
Oga,
Move. Watch, babe. May we dey go.
go TV. Go
Where we dey
there.
go?
You know what? Bye, I will cross this line.
Who dey beg for
Cross this line now. Bye, I will cross this line.
E be like say this guy, if something they do him, he dey find who won't kill him, burn him. Maybe they go.
Go TV. Go where? Who be go? Who be go? Go don't baff. Oga, na me dey draw line for. You where?
Babe, maybe they
hold
go
on,
leave
na
him.
make
You say I will discover your. See, I will tell them. I will discover your face.
You dey touch
I will
my
discover
girl.
your face.
You dey touch my girl.
I go tell them. I go tell them for you.
You where?
I go tell them.
Change them.
I go tell them for you.
Change them.
You dey touch
No
my
me
girl.
go.
Eh?
No me
You dey
go.
touch my girl.
I go tell them. I go tell them for
I
you.
wanna see yellow fever.
No me go.
Yellow fever, I don't understand.
I go change them for you. I go change them for you. Change them.
Bye, I wanna come on, buddy. Now make I say you.
You don't understand.
I'm tired of this village. Ika agugom. I'm tired.
Me too. Hunger will kill us one day in this village. Ha! Nah, what is all
I have
this?
told Papa to forget about this business. Eh? He sticks in this business. Get business and now. This business is not fetching us anything.
Hi. Could you imagine that we could not even make a single sale yesterday? Eh? What is all this now? See, we need to go back to the city. Honestly.
I'm very, very angry. Yeah, I'm very, very angry. Even on man, I assume I be from now.
Me too. What do we do? See, we need to raise money and go back to the city. Because I'm tired of all this. I'm tired. Ha!
And let me think. Because when I know, I feel like even cutting this leaf now, like cutting this one. Now. Sorry. I like cutting it and start eating it.
Let me think too. I don't even know what I'm thinking, but let me think.
Yeah, think fast, oh. Think fast.
Hunger. Hunger. A hungry man is an angry man. Ezoku. Hey.
Trouble don't come again, yo, for feel. Wahala don't land the for feel. Now we go stop him. Now we go confront him. Onye napu, onye nkapu. Otondo for your whole land.
Hey, 3&4, stop there! And drop your weapons. I said, drop your weapons down now.
Oga, you see they go?
These boys are something else.
Take cover. Which cover?
Which cover?
Who is here? Thank you. I want to see you.
You want to see me?
Yes, it is very important. Please, can we just go somewhere and sit so that we can talk?
But I don't know.
Forget. See, I came from the city. There's something very, very important I want to discuss with you. Please, let's just go somewhere and sit. Thank you. No, let's go inside. It's very, very important. Go. Very, very. Like I was telling you before, I came from the city. And I'm a city guy. I'll be going around looking for business I will put my money into. So I found out it's provision business. So I want you to help me out.
Help you out? How?
To teach me how to do provision business.
Please, I don't know how to do that.
See, I have money. I can pay you big amount of money. I have money.
No, Jim. I can't do that.
Are you afraid or what?
Afraid of what?
See, let me tell you. Don't bother yourself. I'll give you 50,000 naira. Just think about it. Yes. Don't go. See, let me tell you. Think about what I'm telling you now. 50,000 naira. So can I go from here?
Yeah, you can go.
I can go. And again, please, what I'm telling you now, just think about the offer I gave to you, 50,000. 50 for you to teach me the provision business. You understand? You want to go? Please, just think about it, Yes.
Oduko and sons, Abba mixtures. The same they must make a move, no be small matter. From city to villa, guy man no do. Whether na malaria, chow oduko. Whether na typhoid fever, chow oduko.
Where are you? Okay, I'm coming.
No matter wetin it be, chow oduko. Not to make am na my home, I no know for you. If you take my medicine, just give me money. Whether it cure, it no cure, it no consign me. Ogumubu unigwe, try am and see. Oduko,
Yes.
People now move.
Hey. No, for my mind, when I think say we're sharp enough. Huh?
Come on, move. Huh?
Go. Move. When I think say we're over smart. For my mind. Uncle kill you there.
Good afternoon, sir. We don't know what you are talking about.
Okay, you don't know what I'm talking about, eh? I saw everything that happened. Everything. And the woman is now looking for her money.
Exactly.
Which
Which
money?
Which money? Yeah. Okay. I don't know the money, eh? Good.
The money is Nigerian budget.
The Yano Pata. Okay. Boss. Collect the 40K.
Which money now? Which money?
Nigerian budget. That's the money.
See, if I cut in her head for a year, well, I go forget in her name, I tell you, I will drop that money from my hand. And they count to. Well, I don't waste my time. I'm like, but they carry me play. Say my hand is cracked. I just say.
Trouble don't come again, your power feel. Wahala don't
Are you mad?
Brother?
Who is your brother?
Uncle. Go confront him. Onye napu, onye nkapu.
Fast.
For your whole land, yeah, na him be the whole na. For your own shabole, you go pay am levy. Which kind person be this year? Otondo, now which kind person be
Boss. He complete. They never remove 1 naira. Nonsense boys.
You see? You guys are criminal. And you know what? I have my eyes on you. I own this village. And I know every activity going on. So don't you ever think you're going to outsmart me.
Thank you, brother.
Do you hear me?
Uncle, thank you.
Next time this will happen again. I'm going to show you.
Uncle, brother, sister, brother.
No, I'm not trying to get this village. Huh?
Thank you, brother. Thank you, uncle. Uncle, brother, sister. Cousin, I forgive you. Thank you.
Now which kind wahala be this year? Otondo, onye napu, onye napu, onye nkapu. Otondo,
Open at Atabulu 2020. I will say let's go back to 2029. Yeah? What is all this now? How can these people monitor us? I don't even understand how these people. I want more remove to the DVD or remove to VCD. How do we now monitor us? Which kind of nonsense thing is this now? I'm blaming you. I blame you. You know, Yala. You blame me. How? Came me. See, you would have given them that money. We work for it. We work for it. Are you mad? Are you mad? Okay, let me ask you. Were you ready to fight them? Didn't you see how they appear like ghosts? The way they appear like ghosts, that is why you would have insisted on not giving them that money. If you have insisted on not giving them that money, when no one even they will not do anything. The only thing that is paying me now is that all our effort is just for nothing. 40,000 naira just gone like that. Do you know what 40,000 naira would have done for us?
No, but
40,000 all our effort is for nothing, Lipia. 40,000.
But what is the problem?
Papa?
I heard one of you mention 40,000.
Papa, it's not big or you be another statement. Papa, we made 40,000 naira today. Yes, now.
Where is it?
Yeah, Papa. Hey, Papa, Omar's a highway. They intimidated us and Chima here gave them the 40,000 naira. Are you okay? In Apwala, what is Chima gave them the 40,000? What did he do?
How can you say that out of your mouth? Are you no more my children? Are you no more smart? How can you say that Umazi Highway intimidated you and took the money? Where are the boys? Where are the highway boys?
About from that question, honestly, come out. Because if those people confront you, you see this house, you will give it to them. Yeah. Yes.
Me, Oduko? Don't you know what your father can do?
Papa, Agidi. Papa, no. We know you very well. You nothing, I couldn't car the other side. And for information.
So who are the boys?
If you want to know them, it's Otondo. Otondo. Go and collect the money, we are no more interested.
Did you say Otondo?
Otondo, we are no more interested. Papa, go there.
Mono Otondo kwa. Akama adiri ya biko.
Virginia. Where is my bicycle?
Your bicycle? Your bicycle should be at the back.
Go and look for it. Where is Ugoma?
Ugoma.
What's your name again? Chelendo, right?
Brother? No, that's
how are you?
I'm fine.
We are here to collect your community tax, and it's only 1,500 naira. So go in and bring it out, and don't waste my time, please.
What do you mean by community tax? Where has it started in this place that we pay community tax?
Brother,
who are you to argue with me? Who the hell are you? Ichelendo, who the hell?
No, but no, that's 1.5. I give them. Oh?
Ichelendo, are you paying us or not?
Boy, no. That's from everybody. Those are the 1.5 small. Probably next month we'll make it 1.6. Welcome.
Very good suggestion.
Thank you, sir.
Let me have the money.
Here.
Be complete.
Yes. Also be informed I'll be here next month. So we'll get our money ready.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Chiolando,
Sir,
get ready next time. Huh? You know you didn't do your na la champion. I'll see you.
Yes, sir.
What up?
Sir. Yes, sir. Why were you agreeing with them? I came from open that fast.
Nanya, come do. Ndi la wutu mu idiot.
Deal with Onny, the more never to do in Chango Kwamameli. They deal with Onny. Because next time,
what are you
Gaventi 9. Next month, I'm keeping that Diego will increase to 1.6 or 1.650. Oh, because we from the first of the month we will keep the money available for them.
In fact, so don't worry, Igwe must hear this. Igwe, all this nonsense, Igwe must hear it.
Don't try it, though. Don't try it, though. Umakama kwebe to the mad. They will kill us so.
Ana go to the neko. Nonsense.
So self, wala fun mo je. This say wala be like bicycle. Eh? Now you dey the ride. No, you just off. Share. Even Auntie, abeg come. No vex, abeg come. Help me hold this side of the tire, make I wind this thing well. Help me hold here. Make I try see whether this thing go.
Me they follow talk. I be another person there, me they talk to.
No, your ancestor always stand for your back. I don't understand. I said, maybe help me hold bicycle. That's when I hear they followed it. Who I want follow talk before?
Are you okay? Bless say something they do you for head. Do you know who you're talking to?
Ah, Bobby, see Morocco, see Spain. Oh, now your red curtains, they deceive you. They don't slap your spirit before. I be make a run enter you. Eh? When you see my face, I be like, who they smile? I dey vex. You dey tell me, say, what I know who you be. Who you be? Explain.
America, all right. Bless say no know me for this village. Bless say no know me. Go and ask of Ego. Nobody will know me for this village. I'm dating the strongest man in this village.
Shut up!
Don't try me, oh.
So weaving will not coordinate.
Don't try me.
Oh, weaving not coordinate, man, not try you.
Let's say you just entered.
Okay, no worry. Now, I'll show you how to. That's
I don't know what's wrong with you, boys. Go. You don't have respect for elders. Go.
We they talk, you they talk, Abi. Eh?
Eh? Ichielendo, you heard the knock on the door and you kept quiet, knowing fully well that we've been waiting for you here.
What do you want?
What do I want? Okay, I will tell you. We are here for the community task, and it's 1,500 naira.
Community task?
Yes.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Jalen, you've wasted my time so much, and I don't want you to try my patience. Omenka, collect that money from him.
You know I don't smile. Give me the money.
I don't have that kind of money in this.
Give me the money.
I don't have that kind of money in this house. Besides, I don't know what is community task.
Okay.
It's your go now. We are losing our patience. So if you do anyhow, I go show you for here. Carry that money, come out. Not they waste our time.
If he doesn't want to pay, I want you guys to go into that house and collect every valuable items in that house, and you're going to redeem each with 3,000 naira. Do you understand? Now
Let
go.
Nobody enter my house, so.
Boss, I go.
Hey, Starlet, come on. Stand up. Stop.
No. Be here. You guys go in and collect it.
You people should not touch anything in my house, oh.
Hey, Agu. Baby, dig on.
Don't touch anything inside there, oh. I have money. Don't touch anything, oh.
I said, shh.
You know, now small thing they made me vex.
What happened again?
Small thing. Small question when I just asked that idiot. Did they begin insult me?
What kind of rubbish is that? You don't beat him.
I don't want you to ask small. Now once I change hand for the girl, you know say me I dey change.
I go
from 0 to 100 real quick.
I
don't look anybody face.
Hey God.
You don't get joy.
My sister, joy no dead, but when they vex me. The girl who gather mind finish. They tell me say she dey quash the strongest man for this village. Who is it?
How do I want to concern you now?
If you ask me who I want ask my sister.
You for tell her me go call and come.
Exactly waiting I tell her. See this village where I come. Anybody will do anyhow. Go see anyhow. I dey change like chameleon.
I sabi you now.
I dey change like chameleon.
Please, I need to go home. I have a lot of things to do at home actually. I'll see you later.
Auntie, you too speak English. That's nothing we talk. I say, who they for? Oh, you got that spray for now.
Okay. Don't start with me. Let me offend you. What's happen? I go see you later.
Fine girl, no pimples.
I don't get.
But your pimples though, it is small. I'm on this way of my don't go. You carry yourself, baby. Village life is sweet, oh. You know the better for me, no that.
You say you running as if a rat that is set on fire.
We are in trouble.
What is happening?
Otunda and his boys, they are going around the village from household to household collecting 1,500.
For what?
They call it community task.
Which one is community task again? Is that boy mad?
What? Okay. Don't shout, oh. You know that boy has ear everywhere. Don't shout and listen to me. You better go back to wherever you're coming from. Unless you have 1,500 naira to give to them.
Where do I have it?
Oh, I heard that if they come to your place and you are not able to pay, they will beat the hell out of you. After beating you, they will go into your house and take any valuable property of their choice.
Yeah?
I was in my house when I heard this. I decided to leave. I will see you later.
How much is there?
10,000.
Okay, share the other one into two. Give Agu one, take one. Share it to two. Share it to two. Give Agu and take some. Share it to two. Give Agu and take some. My baby, what is it? Come. Sit here. Sit. What is it?
A girl fought me on my way to your house.
A girl fought you?
Yes.
And who is that?
I don't even know her, but she said her name is Ugo.
Is there anybody that bears Ugo in this village? Do you know anybody?
No. The none that I've heard of. But boss, that name is no Papa familiar at all.
She's still at the spot where we fought.
Are you sure she's still there now?
Yes. Her bicycle spoiled, so she's trying to repair it.
Omenka, follow her to that spot and bring that stupid girl here. Oh yeah, go.
This girl beat you.
Who is that stupid girl that beat up my girl like this? I'm going to deal with her and feed her carcass to the best of the air. What rubbish. Agu.
Yes, boss.
I'm in the mood. Mold some for me.
Alright, boss.
I think she has gone.
Are you sure this is the place?
Yes, I'm very sure I left her here.
Where is the ground where she beat you?
Look at the spot where she beat me up.
That place, eh?
Yes, she was here.
See, she cannot run away from this.
At all.
She cannot run away. Wait. This must be her bicycle tire mark.
That's true. That means she must be close by. Please just hurry and
see. Let's you use this to track her. Okay. She has not gone far.
That's true. Let's use it.
Just follow it.
Male, and make anybody not calm me down, no. Make anybody not calm me down because like this are the vora and the para. What did they happen now? What did they play? They don't dare, best job they collect tax on top of other people's head. On to waiting now. No, Male, you guys show me where those guys that need run them.
Yeah, go
Male.
Biko, bring your voice down. Our enemies might be passing by. And we hear what you're saying, and we go and report to them. I don't know what
you they talk, Male. I say I got to run those people. And they go collect 1.5 from people from tax. You need to show me where they make I go run them. Male.
Just Biko. I've already had enough problems for one day.
Mama, see Morocco, see Spain, oh. If it's too hard, na Kenu will take cross ammo. Papa, what did they say?
We are lucky.
Lucky about what?
Those bad boys, they beat up his shoe, Gunna. Gave him serious wound. On top of 1,500 naira that tax, they collected that his big TV.
Onto, what did they happen? I don't understand. See, right now, I'm going to kill my morale. Our voltage supposed to be the same level, but I'm going to kill my morale. What did they play? Why not tell me where these guys, they make a run?
Nah, thank God you were the one that brought the news. You know you argue too much. Thank God. Don't give news out there.
Pale. Hey. Who be the boys? I need fights. No. We got to balance this thing. I need fights.
Ugumma, if it is to make trouble that you come back to this village, please go back to your sister and worry.
Pale.
I don't want trouble.
Gay like this, where you base? I go give everybody trouble for this community. Not be me. Pale, don't worry. I go run everything. I go run now. Otondo, Mama, 2 seconds, everywhere go post. I go light everywhere for this community.
Oh, what could be keeping Obinna? He asked me to wait for him here. And up till now, he has not shown up. Very soon now, my mother will start wondering why I've not returned from the market. Eh? What kind of a thing is this? What am I going to do now? Hey! Thank God you are here.
What is it?
They stole my bag.
You mean those 2 boys I saw running now?
Yes, the 15,000 my mother gave me and my phone are inside. Hey!
Just don't worry. Let me go after them so they will not go far. Wait for me, I'm coming back.
What's chasing them?
I think this is where they ran to. Okay. Good afternoon, sir. Did you see anybody run into this place? I mean, 2 boys, 2 black boys.
You're asking me if I saw 2 boys run into my house?
Okay, sir, they stole my girlfriend's handbag that contains 15,000 and her phone.
And your girlfriend told you that they ran into this house?
Sir, I was the one chasing them.
You're a criminal. A thief, that is what you are.
How can you call me a thief, sir?
Oh, you're still standing here, asking me. Okay.
Sir, I only ask a question.
Hello, DPO. I have a criminal in my house now. Send your boys immediately. Send your boys. Yes, now. No, you're running. Come back. Onyoshi.
How much is it?
15,000 naira.
Okay.
But what we are going to do now, we are going to remove 5,000 naira and give Papa 10,000 naira. Hold this.
Hello.
Papa, has he gone?
Yes. How did you do it?
Papa, it's a long story. Izu, give Papa this money to keep for us.
Yes.
Papa, keep this money for us. We are going to continue saving it until it's enough for us to go back to the city.
Yes.
How much is here?
10,000 naira.
You made a mistake.
We don't understand.
How?
It is supposed to be 15,000 naira, not 10,000.
Papa, we don't understand.
We don't understand.
Papa, in fact, this is the money we collected even with this phone.
You lie. Let me search both of you.
No, why, Papa?
You're keeping 5,000 from me. Let me start from you, Chima.
You know who is Chima. You don't even know who is Chima because money have touched your hand.
What difference does he make? Look at you and look at him. Tell me, what difference does he make?
Papa, hold on. Papa, in fact, we don't want to save the money with you again.
Papa, are you out of your mind? You are my children. Whatever you have is mine.
Papa, it's not going to work. In fact, as a matter of fact now, we have disowned you.
Yes. You disown your father.
Yes.
Because of 15,000 naira.
Papa, you're good at a guy.
What we being a guy?
Papa, give us our money.
I thought you people wanted to leave.
We are not going again. Give us our money first.
We are not going anywhere, Papa. Papa, this money belongs to us.
So now you're talking about us, A and B, not us, A, B, C. You're counting me out.
Papa, what is all this now? Papa, baby, people give us our money.
Ale, what did they stop?
Ale,
calm down. What did they play? That's when I want to see me. What did happen?
Vaji, tell her why we summoned her.
Goma, your father and I have decided that you should go back to Warri. We have discussed it with your sister. She said you can come back.
Yes, and it is our decision that you leave first thing tomorrow morning.
Where you base? Say God forbid. That's the way you talk here. It don't make sense at all. When they decide under which parliament, court of justice, or be high court.
Yeah. Will you shut up? No, shut up. You're going tomorrow. Just go and get ready.
Mama Virginia, leave here. I don't live anywhere. You see this place? I die here, pin a full ground remain.
You die here?
Mom, see, I know they go anywhere.
You go, Mom.
We die here. Say waiting.
Ugoma, This village is no longer conducive for you.
Oh.
You must go back to worry.
This village conducive die. This house, now my mansion, are comfortable. I know they go anywhere. I say leave to where?
But people keep quiet. You know they move anywhere. You not go. Every day, one trouble. If you don't fight Okeke today, you fight Okaka.
Man, tell Okeke make you leave me now. Or tell Okaka for me to leave my matter. Man, everybody must not like me. I not be money. Now only money everybody they like. I go there my own. I dey Morocco. They spend. They cross come meet me. Male, I know they go anywhere. You see this place? I die here. Male, next time when you want to make this decision, color your baby to black before you call me. Not call me. They tell me this kind of thing. I move.
You know where I move.
Have you seen the type of daughter you get me?
What's that supposed to mean? Is she not your daughter too? I was gonna be with this evening, Biko.
Then tell her she must leave my house first thing tomorrow morning.
Go and tell her now. You were on. You're the father. Go and tell her. I was gonna be with.
Mama, babe, me I don't understand what it is so.
What happen?
I don't know what it is so. My pale and Male just look me fin. They say make I go back to worry. I'm not waiting now.
What you call the cost that one now?
Sister, if you ask me who I won't ask. My papa look me fin. He say me I too dey find trouble. Me.
I beg, person don't tire today hear that one. Which trouble you find now?
But you know say you be my friend. Tell me try to find trouble. Oh yeah, me way sober. I dey like to do on my own. I calm. You know. I know they find trouble. I don't understand though. Eh?
Hey, but what your sister can talk for the matter? What
is sister don't bath. Now when we make her come back to work, can they watch plate and bathroom? I dey crazy.
Wait, now what is she dey find me that?
Just say you.
What did they worry you now? You go call they hit me.
Do anyhow where?
What did I do now?
You don't get sense. Why you dey laugh?
Because when they talk they funny, go they wash toilet and bathroom shoe.
See ostrich show me this. Say I dey wash plate and bathroom. Where you? Delete.
What did they cause that one?
Auntie move.
Now me say me they go worry.
I go wipe you. I say move.
I don't understand you. Anytime when they provoke you, go they change her for me.
Oh yeah, they go now.
I don't they go. We go relate.
Say someone yash.
I say make her get a lie. They say be bad person. Eh? Tomorrow wear pants oh. You know wear pants. Eh? Opa! Oh my babe, you gallant. Where are these guys? Yeah. Eh. I go hear what this village.
Mama Chizaba, welcome. Oh.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you. Did my daughter come in?
No, I did not see her. Though my daughter is not around.
Okay. Are you going out?
Yes, I want to go to the market.
Mama Goma, something terrible happened today.
What happened?
It was Otondo and his boys.
Otondo?
Do you know the herbalist that came back from the city with his children?
I know him. What happened?
They were marketing their goods at the village square. I was there too. Before I could know it, Otondo and his boys arrived and chased him away. They took everything that the man was selling.
What is it?
Otondo said that the man did not obtain permission from him before marketing his product. Mamu Goma, it is high time we, the women of this community, should say no to Otondo's activities.
We again?
The women, the women.
Esom?
Esonian, Misoko Yeges.
Mbao, Nne, count me out. You see, at this time, I am not a woman. Just count me out. Gupum.
You are not a woman. My name is Aqua.
Gupum. So, Cello, you think the women can do what the men are not able to do? How possible is that?
All we have to do is to organize ourselves. Otondo is a human being like us.
Well, you heard what I said earlier. You people, you women, should organize yourselves.
With you now?
Like I said earlier, go pum. Oh, I want to go to the market. I'm going to the market. Oh? No problem.
Well, is that what you have to say?
Go. Go, oh, Kanja afia. Go. Biko, come with my purse. We women. I'm not a woman.
Sure. If you find my trouble, you don't buy market to be that. If you refuse to cooperate, I go show you another side. I dey like Buko. I get in many chapters.
Otondo and his boys have turned this village upside down.
But what exactly is your elders doing? Can't they call Otondo and his boys to order?
Those ones. I beg, leave those ones, Jerry. What can they do?
Let them at least tell the Igwe if they cannot handle him.
Even the Igwe cannot handle it. She's the one I'm talking about.
Oh, I see. So yes. This is Ugoma, the girl that came back from Wari.
Yes. I heard she ran away from her sister's house to this village. Can you imagine?
They say monkey, they sleep, and God they go wake them. Ostrich. And your voice I hear. What do they talk about?
Meaning what?
Hey?
See, Auntie Mumu, you ask me meaning what? Now they speak English, but you ask me meaning what?
What can you do?
No, don't even waste your time on her. Who doesn't know her in this village? Onyoko no oka.
Ade. Una run. See them. Idiot. I blame una. I blame una mama and papa. Oh, we wear black. Be like how they used to do sacrifice for Lego Junction. Goat. Idiot. I don't see anybody talk about now me. I don't see something.
Where is Ugoma?
I don't know. I've not seen her since I came back from.
Ugoma is giving me trouble in this house. After all my warning, Ugoma went out with my bicycle.
How can I make one? Eh? What is wrong with her?
Wahala dey sleep oh, go wake am oh eh. Wahala dey sleep oh, wake am oh eh. Wahala dey empty no.
Mercy, wallahi I dey vex. I dey para for this village oh. I dey vex oh. I dey vex Popsy. No be joke oh. Pale, male, see I dey vex. As I dey here, I dey vora. More than tell everybody wait for this village oh. I no get joy. Even if I get joy, the joy not complete. More than one time oh. If I carry the anger what come from where we run enter person, that person so go leave his spirit. I go most person oh. I go most person.
So Ugoma, after all the warnings I gave you, you still went out with my bicycle.
Popsy, Bessie. What you dey yarn? You know hear what I dey talk? I dey talk something you dey yarn no pattern. I say this village people they make me dey vex, make una want them. I know they joke. I go level person for this village, Pale. I go kill person, oh.
Kill person, you go to jail.
Pale, right. Me and you go jail. Your mates then they there.
Hey, Bonyala, will you shut up? Shut up! What is wrong with you? Eh? Get ready and go back to your sister's house and worry.
Male, scamp.
Like a scamp.
What you dey yarn? I dey yarn something. See, Male, right now, my spirit dey Morocco. If I cross enter Spain, it go bad for everybody. Pale, see Morocco, see Spain, no. I go color your beer. See Morocco, see Spain. What did they saw?
What did they make?
Make a pass.
Yeah, Virginia. One will go my any day I see her with my bicycle, I will deal with her.
Original worry girl. Now he might be shoe. You want
Who be this earthworm? Why they point me? Centipede.
I know why they leave you now because of your bed.
When you shut up before I run you, they mad.
Hey. Hey. So, just shut up, open your mouth. So, you are the one, eh? Come on, come here.
Me.
Momenka, you go there, this guy go they insult you like this.
Biko, keji kwa no one settle oku biko.
Popsy. Mona no make me vex. Right now I dey vora, I dey vex. When I dey beg now, you babu because you place your baby, they dey beg you. Who you be?
Helendo. So, this is your daughter, eh? And you are hearing her insulting me.
Bros.
You're sitting down.
No, they waste your saliva.
Move with me now.
Oh yeah, move me now. Eh? You dey tell me make her move. You choke. I dey ask you, you choke.
You choke.
Yeah? You choke.
Oh, okay now.
You see they talk.
You choke.
Oh yeah. You dey crazy. I said when you stand and talk to you dey mad. Who you be? You dey crazy. They mad. Pops, Male. 12 this one they do. I know they like her.